So this Pfaff Creative 1471 has a problem here with the feed roller. So as the sewing machine turns and the counterbalance crank is going up and down, what this plastic piece here is supposed to roll, a little roller here, but it's all cracked and falling apart and it's not functioning, and that's really important. That piece looks like this, but that piece is completely worn out. And the function of this roller is really important for the feeding, because as this thing moves up and down, what it's doing is it's moving the height and movement of the walking foot, the IDT, the upper feed dog. So if this thing is broken like this, it's not working, it's not pushing this and moving it. So this machine's going to work a lot better when I replace this piece.